The cost of a water leak is never only the cost of water. It is structural damage, interior restoration, mold remediation, operational downtime insurance claims. By the time a leak becomes visible, it has already become expensive. This is the difference between reactive repair and preventive maintenance. One responds to failure, the other prevents it. A leak begins as a microscopic defect. At this stage, water loss is minimal, damage is invisible, repair is simple, but without detection. The process accelerates, moisture accumulates, materials weaken, microbial growth begins. The repair no longer involves a pipe, it involves the entire building envelope. Time is the most expensive factor in leak management. Leak-related expenses fall into two categories: direct costs, pipe repair, water loss, labor, indirect costs, tenant displacement, operational shutdown, interior reconstruction, legal and insurance processes in commercial and multi-residential buildings. Indirect costs often exceed the repair cost itself. This is why early detection has such a high economic value. Environmental engineering evaluates systems using life cycle cost analysis. This method considers installation cost, operation cost, maintenance cost, failure risk. When leak detection and preventive maintenance are included, the total life cycle cost of the water system decreases because catastrophic failures are eliminated. The system operates within predictable financial limits. Continuous monitoring changes the maintenance strategy. Instead of periodic inspections, the system is observed at all times. Maintenance becomes condition-based. Repairs are performed only when needed. This reduces unnecessary interventions, emergency repair cost, system downtime. The building moves from reactive operation to predictive management. Water damage is one of the most common insurance claims in buildings. Smart leak detection reduces this risk significantly. This leads to lower insurance premiums, higher property value, improved asset classification. The water system becomes part of the financial performance of the building, not just a technical infrastructure. In reactive systems, repairs happen during failure. This means immediate shutdown, uncontrolled work conditions, high labor cost. Preventive systems allow planned maintenance. Repairs are performed at the right time with minimal disruption at lower cost. Downtime becomes a controlled event, not a crisis. Leak prevention is also a water efficiency strategy. Reduced losses mean lower water bills, lower wastewater discharge fees, lower energy use for hot water production over time. These savings exceed the cost of the monitoring system itself. The technology pays for its own installation. In intelligent buildings, the cheapest repair is the one that never becomes an emergency.